Hello!
Hi there!
Welcome to Dorky Ever After, and welcome to Omurice. Will this crazy Japanese contraption we bought make Omurice in the microwave?
This is the box.
We will be following these instructions.
We've got pictures. This is what it looks like. We've got a stencil, we've got the contraption, and we've got this to put the ketchup in. Here we go. Here's the rice.
Oh, we use a rice cooker when we make rice, and it makes life so much easier.
Yeah, rice cooker's good. Yeah, look at that.
So what is Omurice?
Omelette over rice.
Basically omelette over rice. If you've seen the movie Tampopo, which I had not seen until Jamie showed me it, there's a thing called it's a Tampopo Omurice. It's where they'll have this really creamy omelette. You'll take a knife, you'll run it through it, and it will peel out.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Here's a video of when I had some in Tokyo, and it was really good.
Yeah. Happy? Shall we get started?
Yes. So Jamie is the Omurice master in this household.
What I've gathered first is that we're going to crack an egg. I am going to do something a little bit cheeky and add some yellow food colour into the egg yolk because I've learned making omelette before. Often the egg white, and I think it wants you to add a little bit of milk as well, makes it look pale in colour. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of water. Got our cool Pikachu. Yay. It said a little bit of mayo, right? Let's see. Better not cocoa. A little bit of salt, a little bit of food coloring. Snap this on, snap, hope for the best. And then I'm gonna mix my rice stuff up in here first. A bit of rice. I take some of these veggies here. Then we take ketchup, squirt it all over the top like this. I'm gonna give it extra Korean chicken sauce, spicy tomato sauce. It's really nice. And then I mix it. And now I place it in the bowl. And I'm gonna press it down a little bit, but not too hard.
Attempt one, let's see how this one goes. 1 minute. Okay, it says that after the microwave we give it a good mix, and then we're gonna pour it in with the egg, and then we're gonna put it on a plate and go bang, and then we're gonna draw a Mickey. We went from 1 minute to 1 minute 30. See how it goes. Moment of truth. Does the Japanese Mickey Omurice maker work?
Well, that looks
It
cool.
kind of does.
I've got a hole in mine.
There's a hole, but it kind of does.
So now we...
Based on the diagram, we'll scoop that in there. Based on the outcome here, let us know down below, do we think this is going well so far, or not well? Is the Mickey Omurice maker from Japan delivering? Right, let's get a plate, let's bang it down.
Bang it down. It's like, no, you do this and then you flip it. That felt nice. Are you falling in on itself? No! So I'm gonna draw on anyway.
Yeah, we're not going to use this until we get a better result. Taste test, let's see if it's the right taste.
There we are.
Cool.
Just taste.
Omurice, pretty good. Cornstarch and water mix we're going to add in next, so throw that in there. Dab of the food colouring in to make it yellow like Jamie's was. And we're going to mix the egg. Yellow bowl, which is the base bowl, right in the bottom. Get anything extra out, click him down. There we are. So that's the egg in there, below the bowl, and rice. Baymax rice, that looks like about 150 grams. Veggies in there a wee bit. Ketchup. Here we go. Now, gonna put the rice mix into the red bowl. 2 minutes.
Ready, Tom?
Yep. Jamie just filled this. It's the little thing that comes with it that you use to very precisely squeeze your ketchup out in the shape of Mickey Mouse.
I'm gonna say give it 10 more seconds for good luck.
Okay.
Good?
Ready?
Yeah.
Right, so we want to unclip this.
Yes. And hope that it doesn't stick.
Oh yeah.
Good job.
Okay, looks alright.
Then you fill it.
Next we're gonna fill the.
Yes.
Next we're gonna fill it. Whoa! Oh no. Oh, a bit better. It's a bit flat.
It's a bit runny.
Does it work?
Yeah.
That's possible. This was us making Mickey Mouse Omurice with a microwave omelette rice maker.
Yeah.
How do you find it?
I think it's good. I think you should have this while it's still good.
Japan is definitely all about simplicity, so this is
Yeah.
fun. We also have this Mickey Mouse curry kit, so if
We'll do
you
that
want to see that eventually, let us know down below. We're not going to say we'll do it next week because we said that once and then this took a month and a half
Yeah.
plus.
But yeah. Thank you for watching and we'll check you next time.
I'm going to eat this, I'm so excited.
Bye.
Bye!